a guide you to find your YouTube channel ID on phone. Let's say if you're having a YouTube channel and after opening your YouTube channel, you need to find your channel ID on phone. So firstly, you need to go to the Chrome or any of the web browser that you're comfortable with. And after going there, you need to search for youtube.com or YouTube Studio. So let's say now I'm tapping on youtube.com/account, and I'm tapping on here, and it will take me to the page where I can have my Google account. So here you could see all the settings of that specific channel. I can change whatever the settings I could do on here. So let's say if I zoom in like this, here below the channel name, you could find the three options. And the third option is that you could see view advanced settings. I can tap on that. From here, if I zoom out like this, here you could find the user ID and the channel ID. In this, if you need your channel ID, you need to tap on the copy here, and from there you could see the link has been copied, and you can send it to whomever you want and whatever you can do with that. This is how you find your YouTube channel ID on phone. Thank you.